The union budget has placed strong emphasis on building next-generation infrastructure with a major push for high-speed connectivity across the country. This year's budget is in line with free trade agreement that India has signed with the European Union. And this is what the former Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Singla had to say. He spoke to Vishal Baristo.
The budget is out, and I have with me the former Secretary of Foreign Affairs and also MP from BJP, Mr. Harsh Shingla. Let's talk to him and find out. Sir, how would you define this budget and what are the highlights of the budget?
No, I think it's a very relevant budget for our current situation. Government has already undertaken a number of reforms, financial sector reforms, capital market reforms, labor reforms. It's a very imaginative budget. If you look at the fact, I mean, what for someone like me, I was very inspired by the 7 high-speed rail corridors. These link important economic centers of our country. We have to remember that almost 50% of our population today lives in urban areas. It's important to ensure that their commute is smooth, is efficient. That increases the efficiency of our economy. And clubbed to that is the concept of freight corridors. That is also being given a boost. So take one example relevant to me. I am from Darjeeling Siliguri area. There is a freight corridor that is linking Delhi to Varanasi and Varanasi to Siliguri. So 2 high-speed corridors which will really enable people like me to travel from Delhi to Siliguri in record time. You know, what might have taken me 3 days will now take me just 12 hours or something to travel from Delhi to Siliguri.
In light of what India has signed with EU, an agreement, a free trade agreement, how do you find this budget?
Yeah, it is in keeping with that. You see, I mean, there is a lot of encouragement for sectors like the marine seafood sector. 3% of all your exports can be imported in terms of the equipment that you need to develop that sector. Similarly, for leather, textiles, the creation of mega textile parks, 3 sort of chemical parks. These are signs that government is not only encouraging the development of capacity, but developing capacities that we can use to re-export. And India should become the medical tourism hub of the world. And these policies will enable it to become, that sort of, I would say, hub.
So there you heard Mr. Harsh Shingla. He is very much appreciative of the budget, and he says that it's a visionary budget and it is in the backdrop of the recent agreement that India has signed with the EU. This is Vishal Baristo for TT India.